Important Terraform commands. Terraform init initializes the Terraform working directory and downloads required providers. Terraform plan creates an execution plan showing what actions Terraform will take. Terraform apply applies the changes defined in the Terraform configuration to reach the desired state. Terraform destroy destroys all managed infrastructure defined in your .tf files. Terraform validate validates whether the configuration is syntactically and structurally valid. Terraform FMT formats .tf files to canonical style for readability and consistency. Terraform output shows the values of output variables from the state file. Terraform refresh updates the state file with real infrastructure values without applying changes. Terraform taint deprecated marks a resource for forced recreation during the next apply. Terraform state manages and inspects Terraform state, example, list, show, rm, mv. Terraform import brings an existing infrastructure resource under Terraform management. Terraform graph outputs the dependency graph of Terraform resources. Terraform show displays the current state or a saved plan file in human-readable format. Terraform providers lists provider plugins required by the configuration. Terraform workspace manages multiple state environments, example dev, prod, within the same configuration. Terraform target applies changes only to a specific resource or module, not recommended in production. Terraform replace forces replacement of specific resources. Terraform apply replace is equal to Terraform log file .terraform.log.hcl ensures consistent provider versions are used across teams and environments. Terraform forcen lock manually removes a state lock if stuck or interrupted. Terraform login authenticates the CLI with Terraform Cloud or Enterprise. Terraform logout removes credentials used with Terraform Cloud Enterprise. Terraform version displays the installed Terraform version and provider requirements.